Take command of the road in the 2015 Volkswagen Touareg. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.